Here in Brampton, we are proud to support initiatives that advance sustainability. In April, we're officially launching a program in partnership with the TRCA's partners in Project Green to help businesses reduce greenhouse gas emissions and find savings to drive innovation. I invite you to visit investbrampton.ca to learn how your company can receive a free site assessment and participate in Brampton's Business Climate Partnership Program. Then, of course, on April 24th, we're excited to have a forum hosted by the Brampton Board of Trade to discuss these green initiatives and how we as a city and how businesses in Brampton can lean in to the green economy.
I'm Jason Barber. I'm the Tooling Health Safety Environmental Manager here at Plascoat. We're a division of Magna. Our business is injection molding and assembling of automotive parts. We're always looking to improve. We take pride in our energy monitoring and sustainability initiatives. Last year, we gave ourselves a target to reduce energy by 10% and water by 3%. And we're proud to say that last year we were able to beat those targets through projects like electric forklifts and LED lighting, behavioral changes, things like turning off equipment when it's not in use. We heard about the pilot program through communication with the city of Brampton. Immediately we were interested and requested to participate. So my advice for other businesses on their sustainability journey, think of sustainability as a long-term plan. Number one, measure. We need to look at what we're doing today and set out a plan of how to get there. Number two, be patient, be persistent. A lot of this will be behavioral changes. Lastly, get involved with programs like this, collaborating with other industry professionals, partners in Project Green, and utility experts will only help achieve your goals.